How to switch accounts on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video, I will show you how you can switch your accounts on Roblox. So you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. Now you can do this procedure if you play Roblox from your browser, but I usually play it from my Roblox app. And if I want to actually switch accounts from my app, what I need to do is first of all just launch the Roblox tab. And currently you can see that I'm logged into one of my accounts. And if I would like to log out, what I need to do is I need to just click on this little three dot which you see on the left hand side of the home page. Once you click on the three dots, you'll see all of these options over here. And all you need to do is just choose the option called log out from the bottom. Once you choose the option called log out, it will ask you to just go ahead and then enter an email address, but we're going to skip that and then just choose the option called skip and then log out anyway. And once we've done that, in order to log in, you can just click on the login option and enter the new email address or username and password that you want to log into, and just click on the login option. And that's all it takes to switch your accounts on Roblox. Now you can also repeat the process for your mobile because the interface is pretty much the same. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.